Hello friends, welcome to another episode of my YouTube channel. So guys, today I am going to unbox Xiaomi's brand new backpack which was launched on Tuesday, and I've ordered it. I finally have received this Thursday, guys, but only Monday it took the time. And my name is Nazar Jawad, and let's get started. So guys, here is the backpack, guys, and let's just unbox it. And as you can see, this bag, and the best part of this bag is it's weight you around something around 259. And check the title, guys. And let me unbox it and let me check it out. I ordered two backpack, guys, and I bought in 4 colors. And let's get started. Okay, guys. So, as you can see, guys, so as you open, you can find this two backpack, guys, and these are small, guys, like it's my hand. You can compare it, and here they have got the waffle, some MRP, and some more details, and the manufacturer and the backpack out. And this is the 2 color, guys, and one more is present in black and red, and the blue and the silver black. That's it. Yeah. So let me unbox this first, and then we will come. Okay. So let me unbox this first. So guys, I ordered this just to give my sister, and here is the opening way. Okay. So when you take up the bag, it's like a little bit. It's too small. This much is this compartment, and here is one more, right? And the Xiaomi tells that you can store many things, like many things, guys. And and let me show you guys it's another one also. And here they have mentioned some gel. You can have it get sliced. I was joking it. Don't try to have it. And here they have the mention the tags. So they told it's a eco-friendliness. Let's do it afterwards. And let me unbox this backpack also. So the thing is, this backpack I brought for my, as I told, for gift, and that's one more for me, this one for my sis. And here you can see, guys, and this bag looks a bit nice as compared to the red color ones. And same thing, guys, it's not nothing much difference on both. We don't have anything here. And when you open, guys, it's like this. So both bags are similar, guys, and same here also they have present the gel. And let me put something like the Xiaomi terms we can keep the laptop also. I don't think so it will be safe, because here you can see here you can see this compartment is too small. Light, because of light you can't see it. Okay, guys, let me put something in this backpack and let me come back. Okay, guys, so I have fitted here some of my notebooks. So it is like a compact capable, guys. So you can see, guys, here I have fitted some of our books. So okay. So here still the space is enough. Yeah. And talking about this side, you get just 2 zips. And here you can see, guys, I have set up my lot of notebooks. And like all of my notebooks are here, guys. You can see how much are the notebooks. And this is this I have weighted fully, and still it can be capable of, guys. And as I told that in the usuals I will use this one of things itself. So for this sec, I was using this bag. Before that, I was using my one more bag, which was like laptop bag, as well as the for school or college purpose, and that was like too big for me, and I don't need that much of space of guys. Here you can see guys the difference between these two bags. So here you can see guys, it's too big, and this one is like carrying for me, and it's like length of, as I told, it's laptop has everything for this. The thing was, I don't use this compartment, those compartments and all. I use just a single compartment, and for me this is enough. I can put my Tiffany here, Tiffany water bottle, and here this kind of books I can carry every day. So thank you for watching this video guys, and yeah, don't go guys, and subscribe to my channel, and red color button. Okay, so here's the red color. You can follow same color button down in this is the side on the side, don't know, and you can just go subscribe and hit to the bell icon to get the latest notification first. And like the video if you like the video. And Xiaomi concept like a bit of it's made up of fabric, which is like a bit of water. So let me splash the water here, and let's say yes. And I think this might be a testing also. So let's start it. So guys, let's get started. Here it is a water. So let us try the test. And here inside this where books are there, I don't know. Wait, so the one drop is being put there. So let me pour some water. Oh. And yeah guys, Xiaomi was claiming right, and here you can see this. It has been not like the thing happened. So let us open and show you. So here you can see guys, the notebooks are fine. They have not get sweat, and here also. Okay guys, this was a simple basic test, and I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, be happy, subscribe to my channel, and like this video if you like it, and share as much as you can find. And yeah guys, you can buy this backpack, and like I have been shown, let me pour some water again. Right. So here you can see guys, the water is coming here itself. It's not inserting also. So here you can see I poured water here itself, and you can see guys, the thing is happen, and it's going down like here. Oh, my smartphone also stepping. Okay guys, so this was the video, and I will meet you in my next video. Goodbye, take care.